Hello, everybody. This is Team 1, and today we're going to talk about our concept selection and prototype. Jumping right into our table of contents, first we're going to be talking about our product concept, and then our concept generation, as well as our selection of concepts, critical features, and our hypotheses and prototype.
For our product concept, our goals are to reduce congestion at the gym, improve the gym experience, and decrease time wasted.
We brainstormed a variety of ideas that could help us with the product concept. Firstly, a live capacity tracker where we would be able to accurately tell how many people were in the gym by either requiring them to scan a gym card upon entry and exit, or having employees manually count how many people are in and out during their shift. Another idea to help improve gym experience was to introduce a virtual tour of the gym. This concept would be similar to Google Maps Street View, where users are able to click and see what the gym layout looks like. We also thought to target amenities in the fourth floor by implementing a court sign-up sheet, where individuals are able to reserve certain courts during the week, as well as more rental options for people who forgot to bring a basketball or yoga mats to the gym. Furthermore, a campus workout map could be rolled out that highlights the different sections of the gym with a list of all the equipment available to gym goers. Now I'm going to pass it to Jayton as he describes the other ideas that we thought would be useful in tackling our product concept.
All right, so here are some other ideas that we came up with. The first one being the QR code and updating the diagrams. We want to make sure to update the diagrams on existing machines and add a QR code so users can visualize how to use them properly. The diagrams will show them how it should look when they start and end, and the QR code will allow anyone to easily pull up step-by-step videos so they can get a step-by-step tutorial if they need it. Another idea we came up with was the CRC aggregated group chat. A lot of users who are starting out may be scared because they don't want to look dumb and they're scared to ask for help. But this idea will help with the social dynamic consumer need where people may be looking for a spotter or assistance using a machine or just a gym buddy in general. And the last idea was the CRC AI chatbot, and this can help users obtain recommended workout plans so they can be more efficient whenever they go, or when the gym gets busy and you need to find alternatives for equipment that are unavailable. This chatbot can help offer alternatives that target the same muscle groups.
So upon selection of concept, we decided to go with a QR code and would like to use it as a sort of gateway to an app or website, which would encompass the various other concepts that we have already mentioned before. Some essentials include machine guidance, personalized planner, workout mapping, and a queue option for specific machines so that you can add yourself to a waitlist if you absolutely must use a machine during your visit to the gym. I'll go in depth with the first three in the next slide, but some additional features we thought would establish more secondary and tertiary consumer needs would be the machine reporting. So you could report to the facility managers about something that's broken or not working. Rental items tracker, so that you can figure out if there are any available weight belts or rackets when you go to the gym. And especially for the fourth floor feature, that would be stuff like the live schedule for if there's any events that are booking out all the courts on the fourth floor, or additionally court rules, such as assigning designated court space for badminton and basketball players. Therefore, every player at the gym using the fourth floor space can get their chance to play their sport. Some additional extensions could be like what we mentioned before, the CRC aggregated chat group and the AI chatbot along with the virtual tour. So some critical features, as I mentioned before, the machine guidance, that's like detailed instructions on how to use a machine for beginners, along with the description of its muscle target group in the formats of video or step-by-step written guide. And the personalized planner is like a workout planning for students that is totally customizable and it's easy for them to schedule and track their progress. The tracker would be using like a user-friendly interface on like an app or website where users can put in the number of reps, sets, and amount of weight that they do at each machine, along with a favoriting system that helps track which machines they mostly frequent, along with recommendations in case if their frequented machines are being used. Alongside this, we're also going to focus on a workout map. And that's something like if you're targeting a certain muscle group on the day that you go to the gym, it'll set up a pathway of machines that you can hit to target that muscle group, along with various alternatives, just in case if a machine that you're trying to use is in use or there's a long wait. So looking towards the bottom, you can see that we're hitting all these three consumer needs by improving the amount of congestion and having a more intentional gym experience with a personalized planner, along with a fluid gym experience with the workout map.
I will be discussing the hypothesis. So the goal of our hypothesis is that we have two ideas here that needs to be met in order for our service to work. The first idea is that the users must need to seek guidance when using the gym equipment, or the gym must be crowded, which we found out that is true. And the second hypothesis is that the user must integrate phone usage into their daily gym experience and seek effortless gym experience. So that is also true because almost everyone that I know and most people know bring their phones to the gym, which is a very important part of their daily life. The goal of our service will enhance gym experience by streamlining the usage and reduce wait time and provide personal workout recommendations. So all of these will tie into our hypothesis by figuring out what are the requirements that are needed for our consumers. So the idea that we are going with will probably be the QR code as it is the one decided by our team. The reason for this is because it is the most simplest to implement, but at the same time, it also provides the most amount of feedback. We can track this by the amount of scans that we get, by the cookies that are clicked by our user clients. We can also put the QR codes all over the gym. That is very easy for people to integrate into their cell phone and their daily lives.